Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Shaman J. My McLaren is back in the box and going back to T-Mobile because it's broken right out of the box. So if you're wondering, you probably think Jay normally does an unboxing and sometimes give a more extended view of the phone. Well, my phone didn't work right out of the box. I actually recorded the footage, but I just didn't release it because, I was like, obviously something's wrong. So when I got up today and I looked on Twitter, other people are having the same problem. Some of the phones are not grabbing data and it's just flashing. So yesterday I pretty much spent time on the phone with customer service and technical support, and I did like 3 or 4 factory resets, and it worked for a little bit. But then I couldn't get 5G at all. I was getting speeds of like 0.0 and 3 and 4, and my 4G is faster than my 5G. Also, the phone wouldn't really catch on to 5G. So I decided, I called customer care. I was like, look, I'm gonna have to exchange this. So the problem though is not a lot of stores have it. Some stores don't have any. And remember, I grabbed the only one. Well, if you don't know, I didn't put the footage out. So basically what happened is stores in the area only had like one, if they got one at all. So I went to a store that had one and I bought it, and that was that. And it turns out I was a part of those people. Now, I didn't know this was an issue until I looked on Twitter today. Today is December 7th, and I got my phone on December 6th. So, again, yesterday, I didn't even really get a chance to use the phone because I took pictures and was getting her posted up, and I thought, man, I didn't take all these photos, and I'm supposed to be doing this unboxing, and so I said, wow, my phone doesn't even work, son. So, I was upset because it was hard to get the phone. I had to drive a little bit to get it. I got it right away, though. I'm not going to say I worked hard to get it, but I just had to go to a specific store to get it. So, but I didn't use my phone right away. I had meetings and stuff all yesterday. That's why you didn't get an unboxing until later on in the day. I was just really taking care of things all day yesterday. So, but I knew I would put out a footage. But once I started recording that footage, I was like, this phone doesn't even work. And so I actually recorded about 3 or 4 videos, but I just didn't have it in me to trash it because I knew something was wrong with it. So today, as a recording of this video, I'm headed back to take this one back, and hopefully by later tonight, you'll see a different video of, the working OnePlus, with me actually getting some 5G. But if not, I couldn't get one because I don't have any more. So I'm literally leaving now and heading to the store to try to get another one. And it's a little frustrating because I thought, when I called, they were like, this is not a known issue. The phone just came out, but definitely could be an issue, and you're one of the first to call in about it. And so then I thought, okay, change my SIM card, do something. But none of that works because you don't need to change your SIM card. I got like this pop-up in the middle of my unboxing this saying configure your APN settings and all this stuff. And I've never seen that before. When I talked to them, they were like, no, that shouldn't happen. You don't need to change your SIM card. There's no new APN settings. It's still fast. T-Mobile.com. It's still all the same. So I just had a defective unit. This time the videos I recorded could have went completely different because I just decided, though, I'm going to be realistic and know that something's definitely wrong with mine. It's frustrating and it's hard to believe, but good thing someone on Twitter posted immediately they were having the same problem I'm having. The data will flash. You know what I'm saying? It'll flash, and it just doesn't. But I can put the video up. I can put the footage in this video, but it never grabs network. It just won't grab signal. And then as soon as I put the SIM card back into my other OnePlus and any other phone, it works. So it's definitely the phone. But nonetheless, I'm gonna try to get another one so I can do a review on this phone. I don't want the Snapdragon 855 Plus that's in the Galaxy Note 5G. I don't want a 5G. It does have the Snapdragon 855 Plus if you don't know. But they tweaked that one a little bit, obviously. But I don't want another Note. They were trying to get me to trade in my Note and get the 5G. And I'm like, no, son. I said, no. My Note is paid for. I got a great deal on it, and it's also white. I don't want that over glow and all that stuff. So, and I don't want to pay more for the same phone just because it's 5G. So, I just decided after spending all that time with customer care, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to exchange this. When I called the store, he said we get our inventory to like 12. So it's actually 12:15 right now. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get to that store. So you'll see later today. Depending on when you're watching this, it's about 12:15 Central Standard Time on December 7th. So if you're watching this, that's what time it is, and hopefully I can get another device. If not, I'm gonna have to wait. because mine is defective for sure. So anybody else having that problem with their OnePlus where they're not getting data and then just flashing and you get that pop-up about the APNs, don't click on that pop-up, because that's what I did eventually, and I think that's what caused the problem. But it's your man Jay. OnePlus problems already. I think it's just the OnePlus 7 Pro line. It doesn't like me because I had 3 of the other ones. One of them was defective. So this is my first McLaren and it's defective out of the box. Go figure. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you're having that problem. If you saw that post on Twitter, I could probably try to link that post on Twitter to the comments here too. But anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I was going to bring you some coverage on the McLaren today, but got to take it back and get a new one. I didn't even use it yesterday, really. So let's get this McLaren video going, hopefully. See you in the next one. Take care.